Duolingo versus Busuu versus Babbel, Best Language Learning App 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Duolingo, Busuu, and Babbel. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's start with Duolingo. Duolingo is a gamified language learning app that offers bite-sized lessons in a wide variety of languages. It's known for its fun interface, daily streaks, and reward system that motivates users to practice regularly. Pros of Duolingo include a free plan with a lot of content, intuitive design, and an engaging learning experience. It's great for beginners and casual learners. Cons include limited grammar explanations, lack of conversational practice, and ads in the free version. Now let's talk about Busuu. Busuu focuses on real-life conversation and grammar-based lessons. It includes AI-driven review sessions, personalized study plans, and even the ability to get feedback from native speakers. Pros of Busuu include structured courses, grammar tips, offline access, and community-based learning. Cons include restricted features in the free version, fewer languages compared to Duolingo, and some lessons being overly repetitive. Now let's look at Babbel. Babbel emphasizes practical language usage and conversation skills. It uses a more traditional approach with detailed grammar lessons, real-world dialogues, and cultural context. Pros of Babbel include in-depth grammar explanations, audio by native speakers, and lessons designed by linguistic experts. Cons include no free version beyond a short trial, limited language options, and a more serious tone that may not appeal to all learners. So that's basically the main differences between Duolingo, Busuu, and Babbel, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.